I've had this broom for a few years now and it is heavy duty. Now how it comes is actually in pieces. It comes apart into 3 separate pieces, and then the brush itself comes apart too. So if you need to pack it down for any reason, it's not hard to pack down. And what I really love is that it doesn't come apart easily either. And once you have it together, as you can see, I use it a lot. I mostly use it for cleaning up yard debris on sidewalks and on our back paved area. Now over time, it definitely can collect a lot of gunk in it, so sometimes you'll want to clean it out, but it works really well. Thanks to how wide it is, it can push a lot in one go. And I personally like pushing forward with it and backwards. Really depends on what I want to sweep up. But it does a remarkably good job of getting everything in a small pile despite its massive bristles. And it really works great on an extra large space. So whether your project is big or small, they all become small thanks to this fantastic broom. And whether you need this for your garage or your outdoors, this is a fantastic heavy-duty broom that I know you'll use for years to come.